In the group, I have uploaded the question tute, okay? Question tute for the seminar. You have to refer that. So first of all, before we are going to go to this actual lesson of pie chart, there are a few things that you need to understand, okay? The first thing is the pie chart. The pie chart lesson is basically based on a chart like this, okay? The pie chart is circle shape. Okay, so what is the most important thing that you need to know about a circle is the angles around the circle. Somebody tell me what is the angle of a circle, or like, you know, from here to here, what is the angle? Answer. Exactly. The angle of a circle is 360 degrees. Okay, this is a known fact. So what happens in a pie chart is they will give you few datas. They will give you few datas, and you need to connect the angles. You need to connect the angles with the data. Okay, let's go and look at some examples. Okay, for example, they will give you a question like this. Example, they will give you a question like this. They will give you number of people. Okay, number of people, and they will give you the total number of people is going to be 600. This is their lunch, or like, you know, the type of lunch that they bring. They will give you like fish, egg, chicken, vegetable. Okay, so they will give you numbers like 250 people will eat fish, 150 people will eat egg, 75 people and 125 will be people will eat vegetable. Okay, so what you need to understand is now they have given you the data. They have given you the data. What is the question? They are asking you to draw a pie chart. Okay, so very easy. Only one thing you have to do is connect the angles with the data. What do you have to do? Connect the angles with the data. Okay, so what you need to understand here is this 360 degrees. Okay, this 360 degrees, this 360 degree means the complete circle. Okay, so this 360 degrees will represent 600 people. This 360 degrees will represent 600 people. This is the angle. This is the people, or as the number of people. This 360 degrees will represent 600 people. So what you can do is you can find out two data from this. You can find out two data. One is from 1 degree, how many people are represented, or else to represent one person, how many degrees you need. Okay, see both ways. So what you have to do, you can divide both by 360. There are from 360 degrees, 600 people is represented. You can divide both sides by 360, and then you get an answer for 1 degree, how much? Okay, divide this and find out. This will be 10. This will be 6, no? 10 over 6. And then for one person, how you have to do, what you have to do is divide both sides by 600. Okay, throughout the lesson, I will teach you all the rest of the details. So basically what you need to know is the angle at the center is connected with the data that they expect. Okay, angle at the center is always connected with the data they expect. Okay, now the thing is how to solve. For example, I will solve the first example they have given you. Example number 1. Not the exercise, okay? If they ask you the same question, there is number of people here. Number of people, and you need, there is the lunch and fish, egg, chicken, and vegetable, no? Here 250, here 150, here 75, here 125, totally 600. Okay, now 360 degrees will represent 600. So one person is represented by 360 divided by 600. Okay, so what about 250 people? What you need to do is multiply 360, 600 by 250. What you are doing is you are taking this 600 and making it 1. How to make 600 1? You have to divide. What you are doing here is making this 1 into 250. How to do this? Multiply by 250. Then you get the value here. You get the value, this and this will cancel off. This and this will cancel off. This will cancel off with this. 6 into 125 is 150 degrees. Okay. So this is represented by 150 degrees. Okay. And then what about 150? 360 divided by 600 into 150. Okay. This and this will cancel off. This and this will cancel off. This will cancel off with this. This becomes 6. 15 into 6, that's going to be 90. So here 90 degrees. What about this? Same thing. 360 divided by 600, that is going to represent 1 multiplied by what? 75. Multiplied by 75. This and this will cancel off. This becomes, if you divide this by 6, this becomes 6, this becomes 10. If you simplify this, you will get 45 degrees. Okay, now you have the data. How to draw a pie chart? Like this. This is the center. 90 degrees is by eggs. Egg. Okay. And then 45 degrees is something like this. Here it's going to be chicken. And then 250, here 150 degrees, 90 and 60 somewhere like this. No, it's too much. Something like this. This is fish and here vegetable. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to draw a pie chart based on the information. Okay, is this part clear? Is this part clear? Is there any doubt in this part? Please let me know if it is clear or not. Yeah, clear. So if you have any doubt, ask. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah. Now you understood. So what is the shortcut? What is the shortcut here? If you see this fraction, okay, this is all theoretical now. So what is the shortcut? In the fraction like this, this value, the fraction, this is going to be the total number of people. This 600, no, okay. This total will come here. Okay. This total will come here. And then on the top part of it, it's going to be having 360. I will do it like this. Here 360 degrees will always come. 360 total number of people. Okay, and then here number we want. Something like this. Okay, here everywhere there are 600 in the denominator, 600 in the denominator, 600 denominator, 600 denominator. What is 600 total? So the total number of people will be in the denominator. Okay, 360 will be in the numerator, and the number we want. What do we want? What do we want? 250, 150, 75, 125. That number is going to be on top. Okay, so this is the shortcut. Okay. Now, using any of these techniques, I want all of you all to answer the first question in the tube that I have provided. Okay, try. I will give you like 2 minutes. Quickly try. The tube is given in the group. Okay. Okay. See, question number 1. We need to save time also now. Question number 1. Okay. Look, okay. They are telling you a student spend his pocket money as following. He is telling for books. How much? Rupees 280. And then for eatables, rupees 140. And then for cinema, rupees 150. These days you can't do that, okay? And for stationaries, 120. You can buy pencil, okay? For postage, rupees 30. Okay. Now they are asking us to represent the above information in a pie chart. First thing that you need to do is find the total amount. Okay, add these all. Okay, total. Step 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 8, 12. Okay, 8, 12, 22. 3, 5, 10. Yeah, 22. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally 720 degrees is there. Sorry, 720 is the total amount, rupees 720. Okay, so here from 360 degrees, 720 rupees is been what do you call it, represented. To represent 1 rupee, you need 360 divided by 720. Okay, so what about 280 rupees? Rupees 280 means 200, 360 divided by 720 multiplied by 280. Okay, this becomes 1, this becomes 2, this becomes 1, this becomes 440. So 140 degrees. What about this 140? 140 is represented by 360, 720 into 140. This becomes 1, this becomes 2, this becomes 70, this becomes 1. Okay, here 70 degrees. 150 rupees. How? 360 divided by 720 multiplied by 150. This becomes 1, this becomes 2, this becomes 1, this becomes 75. 75 degrees. 120. 120 is 360 divided by 720 into 120. Okay. This becomes 1, this becomes 2, this becomes 1, this becomes 60. 60 degrees. Finally, 30. 30, that is going to be 360 divided by 720 multiplied by 30. Okay. This becomes 1, this becomes 2, this becomes 1, this becomes 15. Okay. If you add these all, you should get 360. Now, how to draw this? How to draw this? You are drawing the circle first. Okay. And then this is the center of the circle. 140 degrees. 140 degrees I usually draw like this. From here to here, it is going to be 90 degrees. No, here 90 degrees. From here to here means 180. So 140 should be somewhat little bigger than here. So it's going to be something like this. 120 means here books. Write books. If you don't write books, you are wrong. And write 140. These are the information that you must include. 140 you need to include. Books you need to include. Okay. And then 70 degrees. You can put 70 here, 30. From here to here 30 now. It's going to be something a little something like this. Here 90 somewhere here. Okay. Here 70. Eatables. No? I put eatables. And then cinema, it's going to be cinema 75 degrees. Less than 90 degrees. So like this. And then something like this. Okay. This is 60 degrees, 75 degrees. This is 15 degrees. This is the 60 degree, 60 degree unit for stationary. 15 degrees unit for postage. I put an arrow and write postage. And then 70 degrees unit, no, 75 degrees unit for cinema. This is for cinema. Okay. Did you guys understand how to do the first question? Is it clear? Yeah. And somebody respond, like, put in the chat if it is clear or you have doubts. Okay, clear. If you have any doubts, ask. Okay. Okay. Now try the second question. Quickly try the second question. If you need to write this down, write this down. Okay. Try the second question. Okay, question number 2. The monthly income of Mr. Smith is 28,800. So the monthly income, monthly income means the total. Okay. How to cut the number? Okay, I will teach you how to cut the numbers with this question. Okay, how to cut the numbers, I'll teach you. Mm. The monthly income of Mr. Smith is 28,800. 28,800. So this is the total amount. So this is corresponding to what? 360 degrees. Okay. His expenditure for rent, food, and cloth was shown in a circle graph. They have not given you the graph. Circular graph means pie chart. If the rent is marked up with a sector of 73, find the rent. Okay. If the 360 degrees is representing 28,800, what is 1 degree representing? Divide 360 by 360, divide 28,800 by 360. Okay, divide this by 360. Then you get for 1 degree. Okay, and then you need to multiply this by what? 73, no, because 73 degrees are there, no? So 28,800 divided by 360 multiplied by 73. Okay, this 0 and this 0 will cancel off. Since I need to save time, I'm using the calculator because I need to save time. Okay, you can't use the calculator in your O levels. You need to do the math sum. 28,800 divided by 3680. So how to cut is very easy. 36, how many 36 are there for 36? 1. How many 36 are there for 2,880? We got the answer what? 80. So here 80. Now what you need to do is multiply 80 and 73. Okay. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 7 is 56, 57, 58. This 0 comes here. Rupees 5,840. Who got this answer? Who got this answer? Please raise your hands if you got this answer before me. Okay, very good. Okay. Those who didn't get this answer, please see where you went wrong and correct your answers. Okay. And if you want to write this down, write this down. Quickly try the third one also. Work fast. Try the third one. Okay, question number 3. Question number 3. A group of students sat for an exam. By the way, it's raining here, so I might have connection issues as well, okay? A group of students sat for an exam. Each student got one of the grades A, B, C, or D. Okay. The pie chart showed these results. Okay. 36 students got A. So how many students got A? 36. Okay. Which was shown by an angle of 108 degrees. Okay. So 36 students, 108 degrees. You can use this and find out 1 degree also. Calculate the total number of students who sat for the exam. Okay. How to calculate? So if 36 students got, hold on. If 36 students got 108 degrees, okay, if 36 students is represented by 108 degrees, 1 degree represents how much? 36 divided by 108. Okay, so what is the total number of students are representing 360 degrees? Total number of students should represent 360, no? So 360 degree means 36 divided by 108 multiplied by 360. Okay, 360. Right. So 36 here 1, here 3. Okay. Here 1, here 120. So total number of student is what? 120. So what is the answer for the first one? 120. Okay. Total number of students 120. Question number 2. How many students did not get A? So if 36 out of 120 got A, who didn't get A? 120 minus 36. 0 minus 6 is 4. 12 becomes 11. 10, 9, 8. 84 students didn't get A. Very easy. Question number 3. The ratio of the students getting B, C, D. So B is to C is to D is 3 is to 4 is to 5. Which means if 3 students get B, 4 students will get C, 5 students will get D. Okay. Find the number of students getting each grade. Okay. So the total number of students who didn't get A, what will they get? If they didn't get A, they will definitely get B, C, or D, no? Because they are telling in the question, they are giving only A, B, C, D. If they didn't get A, they will definitely get B, C, or D. Okay. And that number is this, 84 students. So how to find the ratio? You should add 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay. Add 3 plus 4 plus 5. 5, 9, 12. Okay. 5, 9, 12. 3 out of 12 here. 4 out of 12 here. 5 out of 12 here. Okay. Now, see, 84 students are represented by this 12 means, okay, if this 12 represents 84 students, one is, this is not decrease, okay, very important, this is not decrease, one is representing 84 divided by 12. So 3 is representing what? 84 divided by 12 multiplied by 3. This becomes 1, this becomes 4. This becomes 1, this becomes 21. So how many students got B? 21 students. Okay. Then what about C? 84 divided by 12 means 1 multiplied by 4. This becomes 1, this becomes 3. Okay. Then 84 is divisible by 84 divided by 3. That is going to be 28. 28 students got this. Okay. 84 divided by 12 multiplied by 5. Okay. If you divide 84 by 12, get 7 here. 35. So how many students got? 35 students. Who got these answers? Anyone got these answers? 21, 28, and 35. Anyone? Yes, very good. If you get these answers, good. Okay, let's see. So now, next page I'm going. A, how many students are there? 36. Mm. So B, how many students are there? 21. C, how many students are there? 28. So D, how many students are there? 35. Okay. Now, what is the next question? Work out the angles in the pie chart. Maru. 36 means 108 degrees. Okay, 108 degrees. Then totally there are 120 students. For 120 students, there are 360 degrees. 120 students, 360 degrees means for it's going to be for one student, it's going to be 360 divided by 120. This and this will cancel off, this and this will cancel off 3 degrees. One student is represented by 3 degrees, no? Okay, so then 21 students, that's going to be 21 times 3. That is going to be here 3, here 6, 63 degrees. Okay, 28 students, that is going to be 28 into 3. 8 into 3 is 24, here 6, 7, 8, 84 degrees. Here 35, 35 is going to be 35 times 3, 5, 10, 15, here 9, 10, 105 degrees. Okay, now represent, draw a pie chart like this. My circle is not like a circle. Huh? You draw using the compass or something. This is the center from here to here. 84 is a little less than 90, no? So somewhere like this. It won't be 90, but almost 90. Okay, here 84 degrees. Here you get C. 63. From here, it's going to be, from here to here, it's going to be 90. So 60 is going to be somewhere here. 63 here. You get B pass. And then here 108 and 105. From here, somewhere here, it's going to be 100 and like this. Roughly should be the same. Yeah, roughly the same thing. This is bigger, 108. This is A. This is 105. This is B. They won't measure this. Okay. In exam, they won't measure this, but be fair. Okay. 108 is bigger than 90 now. So draw it a little bigger than 90. You don't have to be exact, but just write the angles. Who got a pie chart like this? Anybody? Okay. Let's see. Then fifth one. That's the fifth question. What are they asking? Find the ratio of following in its lowest term. The number of students who got A and the number of students who got B. Number of students who got A is to B. Number of students who got A is 36 is to 21. You can divide both of these by 3. If you divide this by 3, you get 7. Divide this by 3, you get 12. This is the answer. Okay. Those who need this question, write this down. Other people do the fourth one. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4. Okay, they have given a huge description. There is a chart and a pie chart. Okay, first question, draw a pie chart and mark the details about the cake of soap. Okay, there is A, there is B, there is C, and there is others. Okay, and then 50% is using A, 30% is using B, 15% is using C, and 5% is using the other. Now this time they have given percentages. This time they have given percentages. Now, actually 50 here means 50 out of 100. 30 means 30 out of 100. 15 means 15 out of 100. 55 means 5 out of 100. Okay. So what is the total amount here? The total amount is 100. If they are giving percentages, the total amount is 100. Okay. So how to find the angles? 100 is representing 360 degrees. 100 is representing 360. Then 100% no. 1% is representing 360 divided by 100. Then what about 50%? 360 into 50 over 100. This and this cancel off. This becomes 2 here 180. So I will erase this. Okay. Here 180 degrees. Okay. And here, what about 30%? 30% is 30 over 100 into 360. This cancel off with this. This cancel off with this. 36 into 3, 6, 12, 18, 9, 10, 108. Here 108 degrees. 15%, 15%, that is going to be 15 over 100 into 360. Half of this, no? This and this will cancel off. If you simplify this, this becomes 2, this becomes 3. 36 into 3 is 108. 108 over 2 is 54. 54 degrees. No, sorry, 54 degrees. No? What about 5%? 5 over 100 into 360. This and this will cancel off. This will cancel off with this becomes 2. This becomes 12. No, sorry, this becomes 18. 18 degrees. So how to draw the pie chart? Draw the circle. There is a 180 degrees, so it's going to be, this is the center, means it's going to be the diameter. This is 180 degrees, this is A. And then from there 108 degrees is a little bit more than 90 degrees. Here 108. 108. Here B. So 18 is extremely small. So like this you get. Here C, here 54, here 18, here others. Okay. Who got this answer? Good, good. What about the others? Anyone else? Okay, those who have mistakes or those who couldn't complete, please complete this. The second part of the question. Okay, the second part of the question is they are asking you to, regarding the details given in the soap powder, fill the chart. Okay, now see. Draw the circle or the pie chart. And then there is something like this, like this. Here 90 degrees. This is R. Here 120 degrees, here 60 degrees. This is Q, this is P, PQR, and this is 30 degrees. This is S, and this is others. This is 60 degrees. Yeah, 60, 70, 80, 90, yeah, 180. This is others. Okay, so they're asking percentage. Percentage means out of what? Percentage means out of 100. So 360 degrees represents 100%. 360 degrees represent 100%. Okay, so 1 degree is representing 100 divided by 360%. Okay, 1 degree is representing, we divide this by 360. Then what about 90 degrees? 90 degree means 100 multiplied by 90 over 360. Okay, 100 multiplied by 90 over 360. 1, 4, 1, 25. So 25%. Okay, let's put P, Q, R, S, others. Okay, are no 90%. So here you have 25%. So 360 is representing 100, one is representing 100 over 360. So what about 120? 120 degrees means 120 multiplied by 100 divided by 360. This and this will cancel off. This becomes 1, this becomes 3. 100 divided by 3, you get roughly like 33.3. Okay, you get roughly like 33.3. I put 33%. R, this is Q, 33%. And then P. For P, it's going to be 60. So that's going to be half of this now. 60 is 60 into 100 divided by 360. Okay. This will cancel off with this. This becomes 6. You need to divide 100 by 6. If you divide 100 divided by 6, you get 16.6. I'm going to put 17. 17%. Where P? 17%. Round off and put. PQR S is 30. 30 means half of this also. 30 means 30 into 100 over 360. This and this will cancel off. This becomes 1. This becomes 12. 100 divided by 12. 100 divided by 12. 8.3. 8%. 8%. Here also 60. Here also 60. So 60 means P17 means here also 70. Will this total be 100? This will be like 100 and 100 point or 99 point something. Because we round off this, we round off this, we round off this. No, we round off this also. This is only precise. Okay. Who got these answers? Very good. What about the others? Anyone else? Good. 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 Okay. Try the fifth question. Try the fifth question. Those who want to write this down, write this down. Try the fifth question. Uh, Salma, do you have a doubt or you're raising hands? Are you having a doubt? If you have doubts, ask. Huh? Asna and Aisha, you have doubts? If you have doubts, ask. Ah, okay, you got the answer. Okay, okay. Work, work, work fast. Okay, question number 5. Question number 5. Children in a class were asked to say which of the three color red, white, or blue they most prefer. Red, white, blue. Okay. The results are represented in a pie chart. Red was marked with 60 degrees. Okay. And the number of students is 5. From this we can deduce, no? If 5 people told 60 degrees, if 5 people is represented by 60 degrees, 1 degree will represent what? 5 divided by 60. Okay. So what about 360 degrees? 360 degrees is going to be 5 divided by 60 into 360. Okay. Calculate the number of children in the class total now. So this and this will cancel off. This becomes 1. This becomes 6. Totally there are 30 students. So 30 children. Okay. And then question number B, calculate the percentage of children in the class who preferred blue. Totally there are 30. From 1 degree, they are representing 5 or 60. They have not given blue, no? There's a small data missing there, no? Okay, you can't do this part because there is a small data missing. Okay, the B part you can't do. The blue you can't find out because they haven't given you the data properly. Okay, who got the answer for the first A1? Question number 5A part. Who got 30 children as total? Okay, okay, good, good. Okay, very good. You can't do the B part because there is a small data missing. I couldn't possibly find it. Okay, all right. Do the sixth one now. Sixth one is the other way around. This time they are giving you the pie chart and you need to extract details out of the pie chart and answer the question. Okay, try the sixth one. Okay, question number 6. Question number 6. Each children in a group of 120 was asked to choose a camera or a book or a calculator. Their choices are represented in the given pie chart. Okay, let's draw the pie chart first. Okay. From here to here, there is like 135 degrees. And here x, here 2x. Okay. Here calculator, here book, here camera. Okay, find the value of x. You know this total angle in a circle is 360. So how to take this 360? This 135, this 2x, this x. If you add all of this, 360, take this 135 to the other side. 135 is 3x. Here 5, 36 becomes 35. Here 2, here 225 is 3x. X is equal to 225 over 3. This becomes 1, this becomes 75. So x is how much? X is 75 degrees. Question number B, the fraction of the group that chose a calculator. The fraction they are asking. Okay, out of the total, how many? Calculator is done by 2x. So 2x is 75 into 2, 150. Sorry, 75 into 2, that is 150. 150 what, students? As a fraction, if I have to represent 150, I need to find the total value. 150 here, here 75, here 135. Okay, this is total number of students. 5, 5, 10, 7, 10, 11, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 360. Okay. No, I calculated this. No, I made a mistake. Wait. Here 150, here 75 degrees. No. Oh, wait. There's nothing to calculate. I made a mistake. Two x means 2 into 75, 150 degrees. Okay. So there are from 360 degrees, they are representing 120 students. Okay. So from 1 degree, they should be representing 120 divided by 360 from 1 degree. Then from 150 degrees, it should be 120 divided by 360 multiplied by 150. Here 1, here 3, here 1, here 5. So 50 students are represented by 2x. Okay. So 50 students are represented by 2x. Out of how many students? 120 as the total. This and this will cancel off. Answer is 5 over 12. Answer for the B part is 5 over 12. Who got 5 over 12 for B? Anybody? Okay, very good. Very good. Good. Okay. Then the next question. Question number C, the number of children who chose a camera. So camera is 135. If 1 degree is represented by 120 over 360, 135 degree should be representing 120, 360 multiplied by 135. Here 1, here 3, here 1, here it's going to be for 13, it's going to be 4, 45. 45 students. What you should remember is in the B part, they have asked you the fraction. So you need to write the fraction. In the C part, they are asking the number. When they are asking questions like this, there are some students who find the fraction for the C part. You can have mistakes like that. Okay. So read the question very carefully and see exactly what are they asking and answer what they ask, not what you want. Okay. For the C part, they're asking a number. So the number should be 45 students. For B part, they're asking a fraction. So the answer should be 5 over 12. Okay. Who got all correct? All ABC correct? Anybody? Very good. Good. Okay. Do the 7th one now. Those who want to write this down, quickly write this down and do the 7th one. Okay, question number 7. Question number 7. In an election, 6,000 people voted. Okay, in an election, 6,000 people voted. The names of the candidates were given: Adams, Ball, and Cox. Okay, then see Adams, Ball, Cox. Ball received 1,800 votes. The pie chart represents the number of votes each candidate received. Okay, totally how much? Totally 6,000. Then there is this pie chart like this. Okay, here like this, here like this, here like this. This is Ball, this is Cox, and this is Adams. Okay, here P degrees, here 120 degrees. This is not given. How many votes did Adam receive? Okay, now if 6,000 people is the total number of people, if 6,000 people are represented by 360 degrees, 1 degree is representing how much? 6,000 divided by 360. So 120 degrees should be representing 6,000 divided by 360 multiplied by 120 degrees. Okay, so the first question answer is 6,000 into 120 divided by 360. This becomes 1, this becomes 3. 1, here 2. 2,000 volts. Okay, question number 2. Question number B. Question number B. Calculate the value of P. This P. Now see, if 6,000 is representing 360 degrees, okay, 1% will represent 3,600 divided by 6,000. 1,800 people will represent 360 over 6,000 into 1,800 or 1,800. So P is equal to 360 multiplied by 1,800 divided by 6,000. This 0, this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0. This becomes 1, this becomes 6. 18 times 6. Here 48, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 108 degrees. So here 108 degrees. If this is 108, this is 120. You can find out the angle there. 360 minus 108 minus 120. So here 132. Okay. Then question number C. Question number C. Of all people who voted for Ball, there are 1,800 people now. In this 1,800 people, there were 300 men, more women than men. Okay. Let X be the number of men. Okay. So number of women means there are 300 more than this. So X plus 300. This 1,800 means number of men plus number of women. Number of men how much? X. Number of women how much? X plus 300. Here 1,800. They are asking how many women. Okay. So here 2x plus 300. Here 1,800. 2x means 1,800 minus 300. Take this 300 to the other side. 2x means 1,800 minus 300 is 1,500. X means 750. So they are asking the number of women. Number of women is X plus 300. X is 750 plus 300. Here 0, here 5, here 1,000. 1,050. Number of women now how much? 1,050. I did A, B, C. Okay. Who got all three correct? Very good. Anyone else got all three correct? Good, good. Okay. Quickly do the next one now. Do question number. We did 8. We have to do 8. Question number 8. Work. Okay, question number 8. Question number 8. The pie chart represents the distribution of population in a village. Okay, there's a village. This is the pie chart given. Men, women, boys, girls. X, we don't know this. Here 81%, sorry, 81 degrees, here 54 degrees. Calculate the percentage of population who are girls. Okay, now see, what is the total angle in the center? That is going to be 360. That is representing total. So if they ask you a question like this, what you need to do is percentage of girls, okay, percentage of girls, 81 divided by 360 into 100%. This 360 is the total angle. This 81 is the angle where what we want. Okay, girls, no, they are scan 100%. 100 out of 100, how much? Okay, if you simplify this 0 and this 0 will cancel off. You can divide both of these by 9. 9 times 9, 9 times 4. Okay, and then you get 90 divided by 4. 90 divided by 4 is 45 divided by 2. 45 divided by 2 is 20. Let's do the calculator part. 45 divided, sorry. 45 divided by 2, 22.5. So that's going to be 22.5%. Okay. Question number B. Given that there are twice as many women as men. So here 2x. Calculate x. 2x plus x plus 81 plus 54 is 360. 3x plus 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is 360. 3x is 360 minus 135. Okay. 3x is here 5, 6 becomes 5, 4 here 2, here 225. X is 225 divided by 3, that is 75. X is 75 degrees. Question number C. Given also that the number of boys is 432. Calculate the total percentage. So 54 degrees is representing what? 432. So 1 degree should represent 432 divided by 54. 360 degrees should represent 432 divided by 54 multiplied by what? 360. Okay. If I can divide this, let's see. If 432 is divisible by 54, yes. Here 1, here 8. Okay. 6 into 8 is 48. 8 into 3 is 24. 28. This 0. 2880. Who got all three correct? Anybody got all three correct? Okay, very good. Anybody else? Okay, those who want, quick write this down and do the ninth one also. Do the ninth one. Okay, question number 9. A baker sells large loaves, small loaves, bread rolls, and cake. The pie chart represents the number. Hmm. Okay. This is large loaf. This is cake. This is small loaves. And this is bread rolls. Okay. Here this is 130 degrees. Here 20 degrees. These two they haven't given. Express the number of cakes sold as a fraction of the total amount. How to find the fraction of the total amount? This is 20 degrees. Out of how many degrees? 360 degrees. It is 20 degrees. Okay, this like this we can represent as a fraction. This and this will cancel off. This becomes 1. This becomes 18. So the fraction is 1 over 18. Question number B. Given that he sold 80 cakes, calculate the number of small loaves he sold. 80 cakes. Okay, so 1 over 18. Okay, this is represented by how many? 80. Actually, like this. Out of 1 over 18 is 80. Okay, so 18 over 18, which means the total amount, that should be 18 into 80. 18 times 80 is 1440. So 1440 items totally. Okay. So 1440 is represented by 360 degrees. Or else you can straight away tell like this also. 20 degrees is representing 80. Okay, 20 degrees is representing 80 cake. They are asking for small loaves, no? 1 degree is representing 80 over 20. No. The thing is, they are asking in A, express the number of cakes sold as a fraction of the total number of items. Meaning, in the numerator, it should be number of cakes. In the denominator, it should be number of what? Total items. Okay. When you simplify this and this, you will automatically get 1 over 18. They are asking a fraction. Read it slowly and carefully, then you will understand. They are not asking a number, they are asking a fraction. Okay. So here, once again, here 20 degrees, 80 cake. 1 degree means 80 over 20. That is going to be 4. 4 items. So 130 degree means 4 into 130. That is going to be 0. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 and 5. Okay. So how many small loaves? 520. For B, the answer is 520. Question number C. Question number C. Okay, given that the total number of large loaves sold is twice as many as the number of bread rolls. Okay. Which means if this is x, this should be 2x, no? Calculate the angle of the sector which represent the number of large loaves sold. 130 plus 20 plus 2x plus x is 360. Here 150 plus 3x is 360. 3x is 360 minus 150. 360, here 0, here 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. X is 210 divided by 3, x is 70 degrees. Okay, but they are asking the number of the angle which represent large lobes. Large lobe means 2x, no? 2x is 70 into 2, 140 degrees. 140 degrees is the answer. Okay, who got these answers correct? Anybody? All of this correct? Okay, very good. Anyone else? Anyone else? No. Okay. So about the today's lesson, did you understand this part completely? The percentage, you can do any percentage. Sorry, you can do any pie chart questions now. Whatever, or the textbook questions completely done. Okay. Let me know if there's any doubts. Soon ask. Anybody has any doubts? If you completely understood, let me know that you understood. Put in the chat you understood. Is it clear? Is it all clear? Understood. What about the others? Understood. What about the others? Let me know. Everyone, let me know. Understood. Okay. Now you can try the questions in the textbook. Okay, and try and say if you are getting good answers. If you can't understand anything, you can always ask me. And by the way, tomorrow at this time around 4 o'clock, you will have a free seminar for commerce. Okay, Abdullah sir will be doing it. I invite all of you all to go and join it. And by the way, this session is ended by now. I want all of y'all to drop a small comment on today's class if there is any doubts or whatever, if it is good or something like that. A comment on my WhatsApp. Okay. So if you don't have any other doubts, we can call it day, no?